What vegetable did they hire for the new Kung Fu movie? Broccoli. Be careful what you say. I'd hate for you to get on the sheep list.
She didn't like that joke.
Why'd the watermelon salute the corn? Because it was a kernel. A train just came through. You know how I know? Left its tracks. I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I don't know which one will come first. Why did the melon have to get married in the church? Because it can't elope. Why did the turnip try to paint itself red? Well, it thought because if you can't beat them, join them. Why did they want the farmer to start a new band? Because he could keep a beat. What's a tomato's favorite meal? Beef steak. I was watching the news today, and the government's going to outlaw round bales of hay, and they did a study on it and said that the cows weren't getting a square meal. We'll leave you with these words of wisdom. Be careful out in the garden, because the corn can hear, potatoes have eyes, and the beans stalk.